Midjourney. This Discord bot has taken the art world by storm, allowing users to generate pretty incredible images by typing in incoherent keywords. Stained glass mosaic, city skyline, far below a full moon, moonlight, cityscape,
So I'm going to show you a quick way to determine if you have brain damage.
and kaboom, somehow this garbled mess becomes an image. And you've probably seen these AI-generated images all over the internet, from Pope Francis dripped up in a Balenciaga white puffer to Trump being arrested. Midjourney has become a go-to tool for a lot of people. But as the saying goes, all good things must come to an end, and on March 28th, 2023, Midjourney's free trial just ceased to exist. Now, a lot of people thought that this free trial was canceled because of all the political photos that are coming up with Trump being arrested and the Pope. And in true journalist fashion, the Washington Post makes this very, very in-depth and super-duper long article. And journalists do what journalists do best.
I ain't reading all that.
And unfortunately, this has led to article headlines such as Midjourney nixes free generations after AI Pope images go viral. This makes it seem like Midjourney's free trial was completely canceled because of these political images. So the most viral one is this one here. We have Trump getting arrested. Now, if you understand AI art, you can obviously see how a lot of this is AI. Homeboy here has some weird cloth mechanics going on, and this guy here has no face. And in this AI-generated monstrosity, Trump has 3 legs, if you can use your eyes. But here's the thing. People that are looking at these images aren't just people that understand AI art. In fact, my mom, for example, can barely read what's on her phone screen, so I don't blame people for missing out on these crucial details like maybe an extra leg, which is really obvious, or this weird smeary effect on cloth in people's faces. But here's the thing. AI is always not this easy to discern from reality. In this absolutely drippy outfit, as you can see, it is extremely tough to tell that this thing is AI generated. And after looking at this image multiple times, because I messed up this recording multiple times, there's a couple of things that I can point out that make it somewhat obvious that this might be a little AI generated, but what is he holding in his hand? Where is this chain link going? And finally, this little puffer jacket's a bit smeary. But if you were just on your phone scrolling through Twitter and you just saw this image for 5 seconds, it is extremely realistic. So off goes the Balenciaga long black down jacket. Let's get back on topic. So the real reason why Midjourney canceled its free trial is actually a lot more simple than you think. Basically, before the free trial canceled, if you had a Discord account, you could make, I believe it was like 10, 15, 20, or 25 free generations. Yes, it's been a long time since I've used Midjourney. But once you go through all those free trials, then guess what, baby girl? You have to pay for Midjourney's premium plan, which is $10 a month, $30 a month, or $60 a month. Now, I'm going to engage my brain and tell you some forbidden knowledge. When you run out of free generations on Midjourney, what is stopping you from going onto Discord, maybe opening up in an incognito tab, opening Discord in your browser, and making a whole new Discord account? And with that new Discord account, you just go back to the Midjourney server. I don't know why people are posting random images of themselves. But you go back to the Midjourney server, and you have 25 more free generations. It is truly a GTA Infinite money glitch. And in fact, this isn't just a theory. In fact, in the Verge article here, it says because of massive amounts of people making throwaway accounts to get free images is the reason why they paused the free trial. Midjourney thinks that the culprit was probably a viral how-to video in China.
It should have been me!
Now, I'm gonna be honest, Midjourney blaming this on a viral how-to video in China is really stupid, because they knew this was coming from a mile away. If you go on YouTube and you search bypass Midjourney free trial, there's tutorials basically just telling you, make a new Discord account, and kaboom, you get all your free trial credits back. And the cherry on top of all of this is that making Discord accounts can be time-consuming. So you could go to a couple of gray markets where you just buy Discord tokens, or bulk generated Discord accounts, and this person is selling 1,000 for $60, which is actually a ripoff because you can get 1,000 Discord accounts for $15, according to one of my sources. So instead of spending $10 a month, you could spend $15 and have 25,000 free image generations. Now, I'm a business major and I can tell you straight up, this is a fantastic deal, making just a whole bunch of free Discord accounts. And in fact, this is something that I can add to the conversation, but I actually was in contact with Midjourney a while ago, but basically at the time I was talking to them, so this is in October 2022, too. Their method of preventing people from using alt accounts to exploit Midjourney's free trial was not to tell anybody. This is how I like to solve my problems. I pretend they don't exist and they'll just disappear. Just kidding, doing that always makes those problems get significantly worse, and that's why we've come to the point where Midjourney canceled their free trial. Now, Midjourney canceling their free trial is basically getting two birds stoned at once. First off, they cancel all the free trial so that people can't just infinitely make Discord accounts and make Midjourney lose a lot of money. But since Midjourney basically got a whole bunch of free advertisement, both from the Pope and Donald Trump being arrested in Western media, but also this viral tutorial on how to use Midjourney in China, all this free advertising means new users that really want to use AI art.
Another satisfied customer.
And of course, if you want to use AI art, well, you don't have a free trial anymore. You can just spend $10 a month and have our basic plan. It's a win-win situation for Midjourney and a lose-lose situation for people that like making a whole bunch of Discord accounts to make AI art, like myself. Because yes, I've done it myself. I should make it clear that if you do try generating an image using Midjourney, it does say that due to extreme demands, we can't provide a free trial right now. Try again tomorrow. So it might be a temporary thing, but I'm going to be completely honest. I don't care what the CEO or any of the company says, oh, we want AI for everyone. 100%, if it's way more profitable and it's a better business plan to not have a free trial, that's what's going to happen. I hate to break it to you. AI for everyone. Nah, they just want money, baby. That's just the way the world works, baby. Anyways, that's all I got, sweetheart. Love you. Bye-bye.